Using the Selective Color Layer Adjustment allows you to change the colors in your images quickly and easily. Make sure that your black threshold point has been set and create a new layer. Then go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and Selective Color at the bottom. The list of colors that can be altered are here. Not all of these colors will be in every image that you process. In this case, this image does not have a lot of green, so trying to adjust the sliders to see any changes is not going to show much. However, it does have a lot of blue. Colors can be subtracted or added in order to enhance or remove colors that you do not want in your image. Experiment with what looks good for your image. You can adjust just one color at a time, such as the cyan level, maybe removing some yellow, or you can do multiple colors, adjusting the blues and the reds. Say you want to remove the magenta from the stars. Under the magenta color, choose the magenta slider, move it all the way to the left, and now the stars look much nicer. Adjust the colors in any way you would like for your image. In this case, for this image, after adjusting all of the colors, this is what my final image came out to be. While the colors are not scientifically accurate, they are beautiful and they are all how you want your image to appear.